Riu thirikari ya kaunti ya Naikuru makiria tauni ya Naivasha irakungwira utongoria gukorwo ikigunika naguo kwetukira mahenya ma safari rari. Itigarite ciumia igiri niguo mothe uria wetereirwo ni akenya aingi gukinyanira na mikawa mingi ya Naivasha niikoretwo irikitie gukomborwo.
As yesterday we were recording full booking in most of the places, and this one is compounded by the fact that Easter and Safari Rally are the same dates.
Thirikari ya kaunti ya Naikuru niranire kunyita mbaru aigithia aria mari biacara-ini cia mikawa niguo kurehe uthii wa na mbere kaunti ino. Afitha munene wa wonjoria kaunti ya Naikuru Stephen Kuria niranire kweheria marihi ma iguru ma license niguo kugacirithia uhuri wa biacara kaunti ino.
Government in the current calendar year, we have already unified our license, as you have seen, for those who have already paid their license. And we are doing this because we want to make it easy for our investors to come and invest here in Nakuru.
Makwaragia mari igongona ria kuhingura mukawa mweru wa Limayan uria riu niguo mukawa uria munene kaunti ino. Mukawa uyu wina nyumba cia gukomwo 80 na ciothe riu niikoretwo ikoboretwo. Murugamiriri munene mukawa-ini uyu Anthony Mwangi ni atariirie uria mehaririirie kwamukira ageni mukawa-ini uyu.
We have 80 rooms, and in them we have about 12 of them which are in the model of an Airbnb. Activities that are about to happen in Naivasha. We have the Safari Rally and we have Easter. To our surprise, it has started so early. As from today, our facility is full. We already have full booked rooms.
Gana na muikariri gite wa gikundi kia agendi kaunti ya Naikuru, tauni ya Naivasha iratanya makiria ma ageni ngiri 100 hindi ya mashindano ma Safari Rally hamwe na thiguku ya Easter. Oho ni atogiritie utongoria wa mukawa uyu mweru ni undu wa guthondeka mawira kuri aikari.
100,000 visitors. That's what we target. 100,000. And most of these 100,000 they spread everywhere because we don't have 100,000 accommodation rooms. So you see camps, you see camping tents, so many places. But
Gerifotera Muthingi TV, Jetago wa Boi wa Mugo.